Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the connection problem with your Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. So as you can see in my case, I try to connect them, I try to select them from available devices list, but they cannot communicate with my phone. And how we can fix this problem? First of all, I will recommend you to go back from the settings, the Bluetooth settings of your device, and simply turn it off for a few seconds. Next, turn it on back. Basically, we have to restart the Bluetooth settings. Right now, we have to open this charging case and input both earbuds inside. And next, we have to click and hold this button on the right side of the charging case until this indicator on the front blinks few times red. Keep holding, it turns to the white. Right now, we can simply release that button, close this charging case and open it. As you can see right now, this icon is blinking, so it means that they are automatically in the pairing mode. Right now, try to pair them for another time. Accept pair request. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's the simple way to perform, to fix any issues that you have with your Honor Earbuds 3 Pro by using the hard reset method. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.